Hello kids, let's learn some colors name. Pink color, sky blue color, dark blue color, orange color, green color, red color, yellow color, violet color. Let's try to learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A for arrow. L for lotus. R for ring. X for Xerox. D for dust. N for nest. P for pencil. Z for zebra. B for butterfly. K for kids. T for teacher. V for violin. F for flowers. H for house. U for universe. W for window. G for grapes. M for moon. S for sky. Y for yum. E for elephant. I for ink. Q for quilt. C for candy. J for jellyfish. O for orange. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in next videos. Bye bye. Hello guys. Let's learn some colors. Violet color, dark green color, red color, brown color, yellow color, black color, pink color, orange color. Let's learn some alphabets. Small letters. Red color. A. A for apple. Violet color. B. B for ball. Pink color. C. C for cat. Orange color. D. D for dog. Yellow color. E. E for elephant. Dark green color. F. F for fish. Dark blue color. G. G for grapes. Brown color. H. H for horse. Black color. I. I for ice cream. Light blue color. J. J for jellyfish. Light green color. K. K for kite. Light blue color. L. L for lion. Red color. M. M for mango. Purple color. N. N for net. Orange color. O. O for orange. Purple color. P. P for pen. P for pen. Dark green color. Q. Q for queen. Orange color. R. R for rose. Black color. S. S for sun. Red color. T. T for tree. Violet color. U. U for umbrella. Yellow color. V. V for violin. Pink color. W. W for wax. Dark blue color. X. X for xylophone. Light green color. Y. Y for yum. Orange color. Z. Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.